Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to connect QuickBooks with Braintree. So, let's get started. On your web browser, go to the search bar and type Intuit App Store and click on it. Here, click on the QuickBooks link titled QuickBooks App Store. On the store homepage, go to the search bar, type Pay Tracer, and click on it. Next, click the Get App Now button. Click on the Connect button. Next, choose the purpose for the use of Pay Tracker transactions. After that, it will detect your QuickBooks account on the same email you are using and connect the Pay Tracker with QuickBooks. Now, click on the Get Started button. On the next page, find and click on the Braintree tile from the list. Enter your merchant ID, your public key, and your private key which you got from your Braintree account. After filling in the required details, tap the Connect button. There you have it. This is how you can connect QuickBooks with Braintree. Thanks for watching.